What if the best Philly cheesesteak you've ever had didn't come from a deli, but from the heart of a campfire? Today, we are taking this iconic street food and giving it a smoky, rustic twist, cooked entirely in a pie iron right over the flames. Because sometimes the best flavor comes with a little fire and a lot of adventure.
Well, there's the steak for our Philly Cheesesteak Pudgy Pies. Coming up to room temperature, it's got a little seasoning on it. Just gonna let it chill for a little bit longer before we slather it. So I have the bartender here. She's mixing things up, and her new cup that she picked up at Brookville Lake SRA or Mounds SRA at Brookville. Look at that lovely lady. And then we have our... Hey, got the meat on the grill.
Well, now the steak's finished up, we're gonna start to get this griddle warmed up, which I don't know why we didn't do while we were cooking the steak. Had our little flare there. Now we're just gonna wait for the butter to melt a bit. And now we did cheat. Those are frozen onions and green peppers, and I think we forgot the mushrooms for this batch of our Philly cheesesteak. Do you remember, Boss Lady?
Yeah, we didn't have mushrooms for this particular one. And those are potatoes O'Brien.
Well, who's Brian?
I tell you.
So we put potatoes in our Philly cheesesteaks? I thought those were onions and green peppers. I don't remember some potatoes in them.
Those are onions and green peppers.
She quite wonders why I question sometimes when I'm eating.
Yeah, well, we'll have some of that.
Here we are preparing our steak. What's my lovely assistant over there doing?
Looks like I'm buttering bread.
I thought you were chasing the dog.
Yeah, I did bend over, pick him up, put him in the camper there. He's in the way. He's always in the way.
Well, he ran out the door when I opened it.
Got the lantern.
Shine some light on the subject here. Whoa.
Now we can see what we're doing. Yeah, cutting that steak for us.
Got a little done.
Oh, it's still really good.
It was, but the coals were a little warmer, and maybe it was over the fire a little too long.
Your cooking is always good.
So what's my assistant doing?
Buttering the bread. Getting ready to put it in the
Pudgy pie maker.
pudgy pie maker.
I don't know why they call them pudgy pie makers. It's too bad they don't have a different name for them.
We do have different names for them. Apple pies, hobo pies. We call them sandwich cookers.
Ooh, a sandwich cooker.
Camp cooker.
Ooh, it's kind of like a husband.
Yeah. Except for you.
Because I hooked the camper up. I pulled the camper. I packed the camper in. I set the camper up. Then I cooked dinner.
That's okay.
And she sits there and says, "Fade me, Seymour. Fade me."
Just sit there and look pretty. That's what I'm supposed to do.
I think she went to go fetch a mountain cooker.
Also call it a pie sham.
This was a sham for sure.
Putting putting it in the pie iron there.
You see the look of concentration on her face. She put a slice of provolone down.
I always have a look of concentration.
Now I'm wishing I had a spoon.
Do I go put it on the fire?
No, I think you took it over the table so we can get the next one put together. No, we're still putting the first one together. There's 4 slices of bread there.
Oh. That's taking a while,
See, I
huh?
had to go get a spoon. Because you're now probably questioning me about the spoon if I got one. And I'm concentrating and I didn't answer you. And then you're going to get mad at me because you never answer me.
Oh my gosh. Well, do you answer me?
Well, not when the question, not when the answer's obvious.
Well, you should answer me. Even if it's obvious to you. Maybe it's not to me.
It's kind of like the whole thing with the car won't start. I need to jump it. What was it, cranking? Yeah. But then you don't need to jump it. Yeah, I need to jump it. That's the only way to tell if it's broken. You used to do that all the time.
It did not.
I did too. There we go. Assembling a second one.
Finally.
Screw the spoon. We'll pick the steak up.
Oh!
You gotta taste it.
Just say you sampling it as you're making it here?
You got to.
Jeez, no wonder we don't have any leftovers.
Look at me. You don't get that fluffy without eating a lot of food.
I love you, even if you're fluffy. I'm fluffy too.
You're fluffy friendly. I'll tell you, the bathroom in that camper is not fluffy friendly.
No, it's definitely not.
Ooh. Ate the veggies, they must have been alright. Now you put another piece of cheese on that. We slap another slice of bread on there. There. Hobo maker. A campfire cooker. A mountain sandwich maker. Oh, now we're gonna head over to the fire.
Can't wait to see what's in this pie sham. What it looks like.
Unfortunately, we didn't get a very good shot of that.
I know. I feel horrible. I guess we enjoyed it so much we forgot to show it at the end here.
And you don't ever take any pictures of the food, you know.
I apologize. Next time, we are working on getting better at this. And we anticipate the arrival of it being done.
It's funny, I was sitting here when I was putting this together watching this, I thought that if the camera was panned just a little to the left, we would look like Adventures from Heckenbeck. When they were up at Pokagon making their stuff in their irons.
Yeah. Well, I guess you can't see us. You got our heads on.
No, I got our whole bodies on.
See your knees.
Yeah. You'll waddle through here in a minute with the speaker.
Don't say waddle. It's only if you're pregnant. Waddle. You can see there the speaker there in the background, light all lit up.
Yeah, we did burn. I think it was one I got. I burnt one side. She buttered the bread. So she put too much butter on, that's why it burnt.
Whatever. Must not be done. It looks like it might be.
Well, one side's
Oh.
done and one side's not.
Yeah. Oh.
No, I grabbed the wrong one.
Here we go. Did I get a shot of it in there? Oh.
You showed the black inside.
He gave me the good one.
That's what we usually do, because Mama have no less. You're gonna taste them.
and enjoy. Well,
This was why we were at Quakertown, SRA.
yeah,
It was quite quiet there, too.
very quiet there.
Alright, well, that'll just about conclude this rendition of Camp-N-Hoosiers.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you for coming along with us as we made our Philly cheesesteaks minus the mushrooms around the campfire. It's very kind of simple. It's fun to do, and
Which we very much enjoyed.
yes, we'll try to get more of these out. But thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you around the campfire.